In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete all TikTok posts. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up TikTok app. Then go to your profile, and now you can scroll down until you find the post that you want to delete. Then just tap on that post, hit at 3 dots, and then drag it until you find delete. Hit at that trash icon, then hit at delete, and in that way you can delete all your TikTok posts one by one. Just keep doing these steps because that's the only way how you can delete your posts on TikTok. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.